Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Snapchat is temporarily disabled. So guys, if you want to log in many times your account at a time due to wrong password and phishing and your Snapchat account has been disabled, then I'll help you how to recover it. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back and open again your Snapchat app. And guys, after going to back, you need to open your Snapchat app again. And guys, simply you need to click on switch account. And guys, here you need to write your username and simply click on forget this password. And guys, after clicking on forget this password, so guys, here you need to select the one thing from both. First one is phone and second one email. So guys, if you have make your account with phone number, then guys, simply you need to click on phone. And guys, if you have make your account with email address, then you need to click on email address. So guys, I have make my account with email address, therefore I am clicking on this. And guys, after clicking on it, you need to wait for its page opening. And guys, after this you will find this type of interface. So guys, here you need to write your email address in which you have make your Snapchat account. So guys, I have made my account with this Gmail address. So guys, simply you need to write your Gmail address and click on submit. And guys, after submitting your email address, then guys, you need to open that email address, and on that email Snapchat team will send you an OTP. So guys, here you can see I have opened my that account. So guys, here you need to find that Gmail sent it by Snapchat team, and they will send you an OTP. And guys, after finding that OTP, guys, then you need to put that OTP in Snapchat app right here. So guys, in this tab you need to put in next tab you need to put your OTP. And guys, after this you will be able to change your password. And guys, after changing your password, simply you need to open your Snapchat account. And guys, here you need to write your Gmail address, and here you need to write your new password that you have been reset now. And guys, after writing your email address and putting your new password, simply guys you need to click on login. And guys, your account will be login smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.